Good morning students. In the last video we have done question number 1. Today from question number 2 we will discuss of exercise 2.2. Find the following. In this you have to do multiplication. 3 by 5 of 165 meter. So how to multiply this? You have to write it like this: 3 by 5 of 165 meter, and then of means what? Bodmer's rule. I have already explained you. O means of, B means bracket, D means divide, and multiply, addition and subtraction. So of means we do multiplication only. So 3 by 5 into 165, you can cancel. 5 3 is 15, 5 3 is 15, 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9. Multiply this two, we will get here 99 meter. Okay. Like next question, B number 4 by 7 of 2 1 by 3 R's. In this R is written, so you have to write like that only. 4 by 7 of means that multiply. 3 2. First of all, we will change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 2 is 6 and 1 7 by 3. Now 7 and 7, it will get cancelled. 7 1 is 7. 4 by 3 will be the answer. But 4 by 3 R's. You can change this into mixed fraction. If question is there in mixed fraction, you will change the answer also in mixed fraction. Okay. So if you will change this, we will get what? 1 by 3 1 is 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 3. This is the mixed fraction of this. Okay. And it's C number you can do. D also you can do. Very easy. All the mixed fraction change into improper. After that cancel out. E number, do the work of bracket first. After that you will multiply this with this. Okay. F number I am going to do for you. 12 1 by 2 into 4 whole 2 by 3 of 2 whole 3 by 7. So first of all we will do the work of bracket. 12 2 is 24 plus 1, 25 by 2 into 4 3 is 12 plus 2, 14 by 3. Close the bracket of 7 2 is 14 plus 3, 17 by 7. Okay, after that you will cancel out. 2 7 is 14. We can do the work of bracket, so we can cancel it. Now 25 into 7 will be equal to 175 by, there is 3 only, so I have written here 3. Of means that multiply 17 by 7. Now this is 175, this is 7. It can cancel. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 5 is 35. Both will get cancelled. Here is 25, here is 17 by 3. So 25 into 17 by 3. Multiply this two, we will get 425 by 3. You can change this into mixed fraction also like this. 141 2 by 3. Okay, if you will divide it, we will get 141 and 141 whole 2 by 3. Okay, now question number 3. Find the reciprocal of the following fraction. You have to just make the reciprocal of it. Reciprocal means just opposite of it. So you can do it here only. 7 by 8 reciprocal will be 8 by 7. Just opposite reciprocal. 13 by 7 reciprocal is 7 by 13. Okay. 1 3 by, this is in mixed fraction. So first of all you will change this into improper fraction. 8 1 is 8 plus 3. 8 9 10 11, 11 by 8. Okay, now you have to make its reciprocal also. So 8 by 11. Similarly this one you have to do. Okay. Now question number 4. Reduce the following complex fraction to their simplest form. Complex fraction means the fraction which is in this form. Numerator can be in the mixed fraction and denominator also can be in mixed fraction, or either numerator or denominator will be in mixed fraction. Okay, like this. So you have to reduce this to their simplest form, means we will cancel out this and then we will reduce this into the simplest form. So it's very easy. You can look at here. A number, question number 4. 3 1 by 2 by 14. So first of all we will change this into mixed improper fraction. 3 2 is 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 by 14. Okay, 7 by 2 by 14. There is no numerator below this 14, so we will take as 1. Okay, now 7 by 2 divided by 14 by 1, so you will make its reciprocal 1 by 14. Okay, multiply 1 by 14. Divide will change into multiply and make its reciprocal. So we can write it like this. Now 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14. So 1 by 2 2 ja 4. 1 by 4 is the simplest form of this. Simplest form means what? Means further we cannot reduce it more. Okay. This is the answer. Similarly, it's B number. Both are in mixed fraction. So change both into improper fraction. 2 2 ja 4 plus 1. 5 by 2 divided by 6 4 ja 24 plus 1. 25 by 6. Now, both have numerator and denominator both. So 5 by 2. This divide will change into multiply and we will make its reciprocal. 6 by 25 by 6 will change into 6 by 25. Okay. Now you can cancel 2 3 ja 6. 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25. So 3 by 5 only left, down, up 3 and down only 5 left. So 3 by 5 is the answer. You cannot reduce it further. With any table you cannot cancel. So this is the answer. Okay. Now question number 5. This is very important, students. You have to try it how to simplify. So here we are going to use the bracket rule also. In the bracket rule, I have explained you there is a 4 types of bracket: bar bracket, common bracket, curly bracket, square bracket. So first of all we do the work of bar bracket, then common bracket, then curly bracket, then square bracket. So here there is no, in the first question there is no bar bracket, so but there is a common bracket. So we will first calculate common bracket, then square bracket. Okay, and then BODMAS rule same. So look at here, this is a common bracket. Common bracket, first of all we will change all this into improper fraction. 5 1 ja 5 plus 1, 6 by 5. Of, you leave it like this, 6 3 ja 18 plus 1, 19 by 3 plus 5 3 ja 15, 16, 17 by 5. Okay, divided by 8 by 15. Leave it like this now. Now bracket work. We will take the LCM of this. Okay. Take the LCM, denominator to, means we are going to add it. Last video I have explained you how to take the LCM of down. LCM will be 15, 19 will be in its own place. Now 3, divide it, denominator to denominator, 3 5s are 15. So now we will multiply here 5. Plus 17 will be in its own place. Divide it, 5 3s are 15. So we will multiply with 3 here. Divided by 8 by 15 will be as it is. Okay. Now 6 by 5 of, multiply 9 5 ja 45, 5 1 ja 5 plus 4, 9, plus 7 3 ja 21 and 3 plus 2 5 by 15. Okay, divided by 8 by 15. Now 6 by 5 of, thus we will add it, plus 5 plus 1 6, 9 plus 5 14, 146 by 15 divided by 8 by 15. Now which work we will do first? This square bracket work is also over. We can remove the square bracket. Off means what? BODMAS rule, first comes off. So we will multiply it first. 146 by 15. After that we will do division. So first you can multiply it. 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15. It can cancel. And this both will not be cancelled. So we will just multiply. 6 2 ja 12, carry 1. 6 2 4 ja 8 plus 1, 9, 2 1 ja 2. Now 5 5 ja 25 divided by 8 by 15. Now just multiply, divide it. This divide we can change into multiply and make its reciprocal. 5 by 8. Can you cancel it by the table of 5? Again you can cancel. 5 3 ja 15, 5 5 ja 25. 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja 12. 146 we will get here. Again 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14, 2 3 ja 6. So we'll get 73 into 3 by 5 2 ja 10. Okay, 3 3 ja 9, 7 3 ja 21 by 10. So you can change this into mixed fraction also. We will get here 21 9 by 10. Okay. So you have to do it like this. So it's B number you have to try. Okay, do it. C number I am going to do. This is again simplification, division, common bracket, of, plus and minus. So look at here, this is in division, so work of bracket we will do first. So 3 by 4, divide will change into multiply, it will become reciprocal, 4 by 2. Of, rest of the question you will write as it is. Now 4 1 ja 4 will get cancelled, we will get here 3 by 2 into, of means what? Multiply, so 20 by 9 plus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 2, okay. Now you can cancel, 3 3s are 9, 2 10s are 20, 10 by 3 we will get here, plus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 2. Now you can take the LCM of denominator, plus minus you know how to do, take the LCM of denominator, we will get LCM as 30. Now 3 10s are 30, 10 will be in its own place, but here you have to divide, 3 10s are 30, to 10 you will multiply here, plus 3 will be in its own place, this divide, 5 6 are 30, so 6 we will multiply, minus 3 2 15 ja 30, so 15 we will multiply. So 10 times ja 100, 6 3 ja 18, minus 15 3 ja 45 by 30, then 118 minus 45 by 30, we will get here 73 by 30. You can change this into mixed fraction like this, okay, 213 by 30. In this manner you have to do. Like question number C, D also easy, you can do bar bracket one work you will do first, okay. E number I am going to do, here is also bar bracket. So let's see E number, 11 1 by 2 minus 8 and half, means 8 whole 1 by 2 plus 8 minus 9 plus 5 by 3. There is a bar bracket above 5 minus 3, okay, and then brackets close. Now rest of the things you have to write as it is, but change always mixed fraction into improper fraction, this mixed fraction into improper. Now 5 minus 3 is equal to what? 2. After writing 2 you will remove the bar bracket, because bar bracket work is over, we have got the answer. Now bracket close. Now we are going to do the work of common bracket, 9 plus 2 what? 11, and rest of the things you have to write like this as it is, okay. 23 by 2 minus, now 8 minus 11 will be equal to what? Minus 3. So we will write here minus 3, but plus minus minus, so minus 3 will write like this. Now 17, you can take LCM of denominator, there is nothing, so we will let 1 in its denominator, so LCM will be 2, then 17 will be 17 into 1 17, minus 1 2 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, okay. 23 by 2 minus 17 minus 6 will be equal to what? 11 by 2. Now take again LCM, LCM will be 2 only because denominator is same, so 2, 23 minus 11, that is equal to 12 by 2. 12 by 2 means 12 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, we can cancel it, 6 is the answer, okay. Now it's H number I am going to do for you, this is your homework, okay. You have to try all these questions. H number you can see how to do. Here 2 2 2, all the numbers are 2 only, okay, but we know we have to do the work of first common bracket here, then curly bracket. So 2 divided by 4 means what? 2 divided by 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, we will get here 1 by 2. So 2 divided by 4 we will get 1 by 2. Rest of the number you have to write as it is now, because we are doing the work of common bracket first. 1 by 2 divided by 2, now you have to divide this 2. So 2 divided by 1 by 2 means what? 2 into 2 by 1. Divide change will into, this division sign will change into multiplication, it will become reciprocal. So 2 2 ja 4 we will get, 4 by 1. Again 2 minus 4 means minus 2 we will get in curly bracket. Curly bracket you can remove by writing 2 divided by minus 2. I have written like this, divided by means this divide and minus 2. Okay, now minus minus will get plus, 2 and 2 will get cancelled, 2 1 ja 2, so 2 plus 1 3, 2 minus 3 will be equal to what? Minus 1, because 3 is greater than 2, so minus 1 we will get answer. Okay, try all this question which I have left. If you have any doubt you can ask me in the WhatsApp group, I'll solve your doubts, okay. Try this exercise. Next exercise, what problem, we will explain, I will explain you in the next day, okay.